Nope. You're gonna go to jail for open container. Pour it out, or you're gonna go to jail for open container. Those are your options.
Here, you can pour it out.
Nope, pour it out.
No, you can pour it out.
All right.
Brother, stop.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop.
Street Central, give us the channel. Step back.
Stop.
Yo, put your hands behind your back.
Hey, stop playing, bro.
Stop. Y'all need
What are y'all arrested?
Put your hands behind your back.
Y'all need to stop.
Put your hands behind your back, man. I'm gonna tase out of you.
What did you tase me for?
Hey, step back.
Put your hands behind your back.
He got it. Hey, chill out.
Get back.
Stop.
Chill out.
Get back.
Stop.
Give me his
Get
number.
back.
That's my twin.
Hey,
Stop.
Get
Stop.
Get back.
You need to stop. You got
All
me.
right, come on. Do your business. Do your business.
You need to chill.
Do your business. Do your business. Do your business. Bad Leo taking 110-12.
Get back.
All right, what else? Come on. What else? That is crazy, bro.
Hey, if you come over here, you're gonna go to jail.
Bro, stop talking
Chill
to
out.
him. I'm right here. Stop talking to him. I'm right here. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Yeah.
You like being on my back or what? You like being on my back or what? You like being on my back or what? Yeah, I'm complying. What are we doing? Put your hands behind your back. I can, if you let me. If you let me, smart guy. Dumbass. Stupid ass. Oh, he's trying to be top.
Why you being so rough?
He's trying to be top. Weak ass guy. Get off my back, man. What are we doing?
Yeah.
You don't even know what you're
You
doing.
did. You poured that bottle out and just dropped it. Dumbass.
Get up against the hood right there.
My twin. Stop it.
What are you doing?
I'm on the corner.
You're under arrest.
Bro, yo.
For battery on law
You still
enforcement.
twisting me off?
Battery? Yep. When you threw that cork at me.
What?
When I threw the cork at
You
you?
throwing
Yep.
stuff at people?
I'm gonna search you.
Yep.
I'm gonna took you out, didn't I? I don't care. I almost took you out, didn't I?
Yo, stop, stop.
Let go. He not over there fighting you. Stop. 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 That's my twin. Stop.
I almost took you out, didn't I?
Stop.
Cut it the out.
Stop.
I almost took you out.
Stop.
You're weak. Stop. You're weak. You're weak. You're weak.
Why the f is he hitting him? Why the f is he hitting him?
Chill out.
Why is he hitting him?
Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand.
Stop.
Arrested.
Stop. He hit my brother. Stop.
Stop right now.
Why are you hitting him? Why are you hitting him? Stop.
Put it out. Put it out.
Why are you hitting him? Why is he hitting him? Why is he hitting him? Why is he hitting
Cut
him?
it out.
Why? Why? What's going on, man? The f off of me. Get off my
Stop.
neck. Get off my
I'm
neck.
not on your neck. I'm on your head.
Get off my head. Get off my head. Get off my head. Get off my head. Get off my head.
Cut it
Get
out.
off my head. Get off my head.
Not until you stop.
My head. Get off my head. Get off.
Hey,
Get the f off of me.
Cut it out.
Get off. Get off. Get off.
hey.
You don't know what you're doing, man. Get the f off of me.
Let's put him in the car.
Right, you know what you're doing.
Stand up.
Get up.
Stand up.
Get up.
You're not helping.
Bro, use your feet.
Yeah.
No. Hey, use your feet.
That's fine.
Sorry. Hey, stop. Get in.
Get in.